Okay, so we're doing a little septic job here. I'm going to try to get some video. Try to multitask. But we're digging the tank right now. We already dug up, there's an existing tank. Basically this is a repair job. The existing system is failing. So we're installing a new system. So we dug up and replaced that riser right there with a new riser that is going to house a pump and a float assembly and a whole big apparatus. The new tank, 1,500 gallon tank, is going to go in the ground right here. So that's what I'm digging up. I got this 4-foot wide bucket on here and it is working marvelously to dig out that material. So I'm holding the phone in my left hand as I'm digging. So right now I'm just making passes. We've got CenturyLink communications line in the ground over here that we're going to cross, and a bunch of irrigation. So I'm hoping not to crash through anything at this point, but there's no telling. I don't want to make anything more difficult than it needs to be, if you know what I'm saying. The tank is, well, let's look at the schematic. I just so happen to have it right here. So this is the tank schematic. It's looking like it's, oh, right there. Nope, right there. What's the overall height on this dang tank? 69 inches tall. So that's 70 inches tall. So I need to be, we're not going to go off of that. We're going to go off of this inlet elevation right there. The inlet is going to be about 4 inches lower, 4 to 6 inches lower than an existing hole we've got coming out of that riser right there that you can't really see. And then at that point I'll build, basically I'll need to be 54 inches below the flow line, 54 inches below the flow line of that inlet side, and then it'll be flat on the bottom. So we're getting pretty dang close already. What I'm going to end up doing is I will set up my TopCon rotary laser and shoot that outlet, and then go from there. I'll shoot the outlet and then do the math and then set it up for bottom of box. So, but I'm pretty close right now. I'm getting closer anyway. I'm probably gonna have to go down another couple feet, 2 feet, but I'm gonna keep digging. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna put my paperwork back in my pocket. Should have brought the GoPro or something to film properly, but you never can think of everything, right? So we're doing it like a bunch of amateurs. We're documenting this like monkeys. So I'm just peeling out like 3 to 4 inches at a time. I've got, this is about 1/4 of the total box hole dimension that I'm working on. So that's cool. It's awfully sandy down there, which is nice. It really is nice. Sandy material is good to dig in. So I'm liking that. I don't, again, know what's in the ground here. I don't want to kill anything. So I'm just taking it easy. Just nibbling away at it. Here in a minute I'll go get my instrument and set it up. And then I'm going to probably get this first quarter established. then I will move myself over and just keep working like that. This is pretty much ideal dirt to be digging in. That little yellow orange flag right there represents irrigation pipes that I cut out of the way that I'll need to sort of install or reattach or reconnect at some level here. This sand is pretty much, this is gonna make life so easy. I don't know why there's sand right here, but that's gonna be great. I hope that sand right there doesn't mean there's some sort of hidden utility underground, but we'll see. I'm running this Bobcat 50, E50, something like that. Pretty nice machine. Should get the job done pretty well here. It's kind of going to be an interesting deal to get the gravels for the absorption trenches in place, but we'll get it done. I just want to nibble on this grass a little bit and get it down in here, because at any point there could be a sprinkler line that runs across, and I'm not trying to have sprinkler line action. And I think that'll be good. I'm gonna go get my laser and set up some numbers, some elevations. So maybe I'll make another pass or two. Whoa, I lost it. Hey, it's looking good down there. I'll just park it right there and we'll see. Okay, so this is where we are. We are down to depth, 7 foot, 7¼ inches below the bottom of the outlet on that black culvert riser right there. Anyway, which basically is 9 feet, 9.5 feet, maybe a little more below I'd say close to 10 feet below that patio slab right there. Anyway, we're pretty much at depth. I've got half of that box dug. I'm gonna set up to dig the other half, but I've got to move my mountain of dirt here. So, got to move all that dirt out of the way, and it's raining too, so yeehaw. Anyway, I'll check back in. Alright, well, we got that thing dug. It's all dug. The tank location is dug. And we are in business. Basically 15.5 by whatever 8.5 feet is, so that's cool. Should be good to go. Checkmate. Some idiot operator left the bucket off the ground, so I'll fix that.